Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another look using one of the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palettes. Today we're doing Armed and Gorgeous. The other tutorials, Dark Magic and Ring the Alarm, will be in the description box below or in the cards somewhere, so keep an eye out for that. And we did like a golden green kind of look today. And that's mostly what this palette is made up of, and I am just digging it. It's so beautiful. Absolutely stunning. So to get started, I have primed with the Maybelline Master Prime Eyeshadow Primer and have AOA Studio Loose Setting Powder under the eye to catch fallout that we more than likely will have. And first up, I am taking Access from that palette and I'm going to apply that in the crease. This is going to be our transition color, and I have that on an extra fluffy blending brush for the crease. And I'm applying most of the pigment on the orbital bone area, and then I'm going to feather it up into the brow, or towards the brow I should say. And I love greens and golds, and this palette is just right up my alley. It is so stunning. Such a beautiful color story. I think this is perfect for fall. You could use this palette quite a bit in the summer, I believe, as well. I'm using it in the winter. I mean, I'm not telling you, you know, this shade is top secret, and I'm taking that on a flat kind of blending brush. And I'm going to put that in the outer corner and bring it in the crease a bit. And while I do that, you can see I'm just patting and pressing the pigment into the outer corner to build the shade up. But of course, in regards to makeup rules, you can use these palettes whenever you want. I just think that it's got a beautiful color story for those seasons. Obviously, I'm using this in the wintertime, so I don't care about the rules. I'm just saying. I think it's beautiful. Like, this would be perfect for fall. And we're just going to continue to build that shade up. And this is such a beautiful, mossy, almost like army, military green shade. Absolutely beautiful. I'm going to blend the edges out into the yellow shade we applied first, and just build it up a little bit more, and we're going to move on to the lid. I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas, I think is what it's called. This stuff is really great, but I hate how messy this product is though. It gets in my lashes. It's so over encumbered in the packaging. It's just spewing out, like it's just over packed, and it's messy, so I can't even store it in my drawer, because when I do, it gets everywhere. It like leaks from the side. Like, I think I got something wrong with my bottle. So next up, we're taking this beautiful golden metallic shade, and I did wet my brush a little bit off camera. And what I did there was pick up the powder on the brush and then spritz it a little with the Believe Beauty setting spray just to foil it a bit. But even if you didn't foil it, these metallics are super pigmented. They're super metallic. I love them. The formula of these palettes, in my opinion, are great. Like I said before, I've heard a lot of mixed reviews, but I really am liking them myself, personally. My personal opinion. Like, I love the way they've applied, the way they blend out. I think they've been great. Now you're going to see me go through and add a bit more color in areas and blend out, start meshing the shades together, melting them into one another. Now, AOA Studio Pressed Powder in Porcelain, I like using this as a highlight sometimes. So on a fluffy shader brush, that's what I'm doing. I'm applying this powder under the eyebrow. And if you ever have a crease shade that goes up too far and your brow bone highlight shadow isn't working, get your face powder out. Blend it out with your face powder. It will help tremendously bring it down, and it works like a magic eraser. So beautiful. And I just blend that in together, and it dubs as the highlight and the magic eraser for the crease. And that is pretty much the eyeshadow look. So we're going to wipe away the powder under our eyes, which we barely had any kind of fallout. And I'm tight lining with Milani Stay Put eyeliner, and I'm also putting in my waterline, which I don't typically do a lot, but only because I'm not a fan of closing off the eyes. And we're going to take that green shade and apply it that we used in the outer corner, and we're going to use that on the lower lash line. I'm going to be taking the lighter gold metallic shade in the palette called Coin, and I'm applying that in the inner corner. Also, don't forget to check the description box for not only additional links but a product list, because I do put one down there, what's on my nails. All that information will be in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. And I'm using the LA Colors eye marker. Honestly, don't do a lot of liquid liners anymore. I've been skipping that step lately, but this is in my project pan, so I'm trying to use some of this stuff up. And we're going to curl those lashes, and for the first time ever, I'm using the Essence False Lash Mascara. And so far, I think it's okay. I am not super impressed, but maybe the next time I use it, there won't be liquid eyeliner stuck in my lashes either, so that also played a huge part in how I felt about it. But I do like how my lashes look, so I can't wait to try it with no liner and stuff on. And that lip liner is from Maybelline. It's Magnetic Mauve. Lipstick's Maybelline Nude Lust, and the lip gloss is LA Colors Heavenly Lip Gloss, and this is Believe Beauty Setting Spray. So you'll definitely have to stay tuned for my Project Pan video as well, because a lot of these products are going to be in that video. So I hope you guys enjoyed the makeup tutorial, found it helpful. Try the look out for yourselves, recreate it using what you have in your collection, and I thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check the description box for additional links and a product list.